everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before I'm going to show you what I made, I want to share something with you all. Lately I've been experiencing a lot of negativity regarding myself, like talking about me behind my back and spreading intentionally rumors about me that aren't true. So yeah, I needed to make the decision to cut all ties and yeah, because I don't want to be a topic of this childish drama anymore. So that's why I'm telling you all this. That's bothering me a lot. But yeah, what I also want to mention that I'm very grateful that Amy asked me to participate in their Friendship Express collaboration each week on Saturday. And what I'm experiencing in that collaboration, that there are a lot of friendly people in that collaboration and a lot of support, and most of all, a lot of fun. Because that's what I need when I create art and not all that drama. So thank you so much, Amy, for asking me. And so far I'm very pleased that I joined your collaboration. So this is the second video for the friendship collaboration. And each week on Saturday my video will premiere on 8:30 p.m. CET. And there are a lot of people that join this collaboration. And the link to the playlist is in the description below this video. Yeah, there are a lot of amazing artists that are participating in this collaboration. So yeah, it's a lot of fun to watch all those videos. So the link to it is in the description. So for this week, the topic was winter. And everything regarding that topic you can make. You don't have to use resin. You can also use other mediums. But for this video I used resin, and I also used the silicone mold from Molds and Shapes. It's the Druzy Diode trinket dish mold, and I love this mold because the edge is very beautiful. It's very detailed, and yeah, it will give a nice sparkly edge. So topic is winter, and yeah, let's see what I created. I'm going to start with the druzy edge. I'm going to add white colored resin into the druzy edge. There you can see it. And I'm only going to pour resin in the druzy edge, so not on the flat surface of the silicone mold. And the resin I'm using is also new for me. It's the Apex resin. And this is the fast cure resin because if it cures fast, then I can add a second layer the same day. But I'm very curious how this resin works. It's very thick. The fast cure resin is very thick. So now I'm adding clear resin. So no color added to it. And I used a white pigment paste of my own. It's the Moonlight White. You can find it in my Etsy shop. The link to it is in the description. You can see that it's really a thick resin. And you don't need a lot of resin for this druzy edge. I think I used 60 grams to fill the druzy edge. So I'm only going to use, white colors, green, red, because I want to make a nice Winter Wonderland. Yeah, the next color is an interference mica pigment. It's called Dazzle Green. I hope I can create a nice green sparkle in this druzy edge. Also, this mica pigment you can find in my Etsy shop. So I'm adding in some places some dots of this nice interference mica pigment. There you can see I add some lines. I don't want this edge to be totally white. It needs to be a little bit, yeah, milky colored, a little bit see-through. That's why I'm adding a little bit of white on top of that clear resin. And now I'm done with this edge. I will let it dry and then I will start on the second part of this Winter Wonderland tray. Yeah, I'm going to add mica pigments on top of the silicone mold. And I saw this in one of the videos of Claire. Claire from Claire's Crafty Corner. So the link to her video is also in the description below this video. And thank you so much, Claire, for showing us this technique. You inspired me a lot. So I'm going to try the technique I saw in your video. So I'm adding the mica pigments on top of the silicone mold. There you can see it. I've started with a white lily. And now I'm adding forest green. And with a brush, I sprinkle those mica pigments on top of the silicone mold. And if you also want to do this or try this, please wear a mask because you don't want to breathe in those small mica particles. It's not good for your health. And as you can see in my camera, you can see those mica particles flying around in my room. So the next color is called Blood Red. Very nice color. And then another color. This is an interference mica pigment. It's the Aurora Gold. Also on top of the white lily. And the white lily is a kind of pearl white color. Very nice. This is also an interference mica pigment. It's the Dazzle Green. But as you can see, this one sparkles a lot more because the mica particle it's much larger than the Aurora Gold, and that's why this interference mica pigment sparkles a lot more. Very pretty. And the next one is Sparkle White, also the same particle size as the Dazzle Green, but this one is white. So I sprinkle all those mica pigments on top of the silicone mold, but also on the druzy edge. Again, the white lily. So all these mica pigments you can find in my Etsy shop. A little bit more of the forest green. This is such a pretty color. Yeah, I've never done this technique before. Yeah, once I did it with eco resin, but never with AB resin. So now I'm going to color the resin that I'm going to fill this mold totally to the top. I'm going to color it with white, the Moonlight White pigment paste. There you can see it. But before I can fill this mold, I need to wet all those mica pigments. And I'm using alcohol for it. And I counted the sprays. It's about 25 sprays. Because those mica pigments need to be wet. Otherwise, you won't get the nice effect. And now on top of the mica pigments, I'm pouring my white resin until the top of the silicone mold. And hopefully on the other side, I create the nice effect that I saw in the video of Claire. And she made a beautiful winter tray. So the mold is filled to the top. And before you can remove the air bubbles with your torch, you need to wait a little while because I used alcohol. And if I didn't wait, then I would get flames. So I don't want that. So it's 24 hours later. Now we can take it out of the mold. And I'm very curious. You can already see the mica pigments on the bottom side. Hopefully, I've created a nice winter wonderland on the other side of this druzy tray. I will always show you the edge. I'm already very pleased with the edge. And now, how does it look? Yes, I do have the mica pigments on this side. But I'm not done with it. There you can see the Aurora Gold, the Forest Green, the Sparkle, Blood Red. Yeah, I'm very pleased. But what I mentioned, I'm not done yet. So I'm going to add an image. There you can see it, a picture or a sticker. This is the sticker. I think it's called DTF sticker. And yeah, it has a winter feel, but also Christmas. And I'm going to stick it on top of the resin. There you can see it. And also Claire used a beautiful sticker. That's why I got inspired by her. So thanks again, Claire, for showing us this technique. I appreciate it a lot. Now on top there is a kind of plastic. I need to remove it. And after the sticker is on the resin, I will add a resin layer on top of this. But the edge looks amazing. And I think it has a winter feeling, but also Christmas. And this is really easy to do. And this sticker was really cheap. I bought it from Team U, and yeah, they are very cheap. I think it looks nice. A little bit closer, there you can see it. But what I mentioned, I'm not done. I'm going to add a resin layer on top of this image. Very pretty. There you can see it. I'm going to add a resin layer. I'm using the resin from Apex again. It's the all-purpose resin. Also new to me. This one is a little bit thinner than the fast cure resin. And as you can see, I added two trees, one on the left side and one on the right side. I think the image is more in balance now. And I also added some packages on the left and the right side. I think it looks more, yeah, it's more pretty now. So I'm adding a thin layer of resin and then I'm tilting my tray to spread it to the druzy edge. I'm adding a little bit more. There you can see it. Because I still want that raised druzy edge. That's why I want a thin layer of resin on top of this image. I'm using my heat gun to make the resin a little bit more liquid. Then I can spread it much better. There you can see it. I'm tilting my tray until it touches the druzy edge. Yeah, I'm very happy how it looks. It has a nice winter Christmas feel to it. Yeah, very pretty. So I'm done. After it's dry, I'm going to show you the end result. So this is the end result outside in the daylight. I tried to show you the nice druzy edge, but also the sparkle I added. You can see the forest green on the edge and the aurora gold on top. Yeah, I'm very happy. I love this image. There you can see the blood red. Up close the druzy edge. Yes, I'm very pleased with the end result. Let me know what you think in the comments below this video. Don't forget to watch the videos of all the other artists in this Friendship Express collaboration. The link to it is in the description. I think you will have a lot of fun watching all those videos. I want to thank you all for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!